Hi teachers, now we are going to see how we can log into codemitra and complete the open lab activities for the grade 6 or class 6 in the textbook. So first we need to open the Google and type telangana.codemitra.org. It's telangana.codemitra.org and click on enter. So here I am already logged into the website. That's why it's showing like this. If you are logged out, it will be like this. So here you can see the student login and the teacher login. So please click on teacher login and give your phone number and the PIN number and log into the codemitra. Here you can see a dashboard and the activities tab. Please click on activities tab, and when you are going down, you can see the class 6. You can see different classes, and please click on class 6. Again you are moving down, you can see the heading open lab, and in open lab we have two activities. So I'm going to do the first one. First one is geometry, art in nature. So I'm going to click go to activity. So here you can see the textbook page that is mentioning about the question. So here what we want to do is we need to create a flower with circles. So let's see how we are going to do it in codemitra. So I'm clicking on try it out. So here we have three different areas. The first one is block area, that we can see different blocks. Second one is coding area, that we will use to drag the block from here and drop here, and we will code the program in coding area. And we will see what's our output in the output area, where this cat, and it is called sprite. So that sprite is standing wherever it's output area. So we know that we will start the program with a green flag click. And below down, you can see add extension option, and please click on that. You will get the pen option. So what are the pen options we are using is, first we need to take the pen up. So we need to take a pen first. Then we need to erase whatever in the screen. Now it's not, nothing is there, but whatever in the screen we need to erase all. Then we need to pen down to the paper. So why you are using erase all here is that whenever you are trying to do this activity, when you are facing some problems in coding, so you need to check and work it on again. So whenever you are checking and clicking on green flag, the um, the thing you already played here, like drawn here, it will erase and start from a new thing, a new one, a new drawing will start. So for that we are using the erase all option. And going back, we need our sprite in center. That's why we are using the angle here 0 and 0. So the idea behind this activity is mainly nested loop. Nested loop means a loop inside a loop. So I'm adding two loops together. So in the inside loop, what I'm adding is that I need to create a circle by sprite moving 10 steps and turning 10 degrees. So moving 10 steps and turning 10 degrees will help me to create a circle. And how many times I need to repeat that? It's simple max. We need to create the circle by 360 degree. So if I am moving 10 degree one time, I need to repeat that 36 times. So 36 into 10, 360, and I will get one circle here. But I need 5 circles. In the activity itself, it's mentioned a flower with 5 circles. Like 5 circles we can see in the picture in textbook. So I'm using the 5 circles. And the next question is, how many degrees I am turning after each circle. After each circle, how many degrees I am turning for the next circle. So here again I am doing a simple math. I'm giving 360 divided by 5. It's 72 because I need to draw my circle, the space evenly. So this is the code for the circle. Now I'm going to check by clicking on green flag. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a flower using 5 circles. Thank you. So here we are going to do the second activity for the class. So here we have I'm clicking on go to activity. And here we have the question that the activity 3, I want to draw a pattern using hexagons like already we had done with the circle. We need to do this with the hexagons. So I'm going to code for that. So I'm clicking on try it out. So the Open Lab is opening. I will wait for some time. Yes, it's here. So earlier I already said that the first one is the block area where we can see different blocks. In the middle, you can see the coding area where we are using the code for the program. And this is the output area where the sprite is standing. Like last time also, I'm starting with the when green flag click and going to the extension to use the pen options. So again, I'm using 3 pen options. I need to pen up, then I need to erase whatever in the screen, and I need to do the pen down. Now we need to think that again I'm using a nested loop, that's loop inside a loop. So I added 2. Now think about hexagon. So how many sides hexagon does have? And what is the angle of an hexagon? So again, I'm going to motion. So here I am moving 20 steps. And the angle I am using for an hexagon, the exterior angle is 60. So I'm added 60 degree. And how many sides an hexagon have? 6 sides. So 6 times I will move 20 steps and I will turn 60 degree. Or I will move, I will add the 10 steps only. So I'll move 10 steps. Here you can see the hexagon 6 times moved. But what happened? It's in the same place only. So I'm again using 20 steps because 10 steps is very small. You can see. So one thing I forgot is that I need to add go to x0 y0 here because I need the sprite in center of the stage. Okay. So now how many hexagons we need? 5 hexagons we need. Again, the angle will be outside will be 72 because I need to make it evenly. So I'm going to click on the green flag here and you can see the flower with hexagon. Thank you, teachers.